Oh yeah, it's Davis. I wanna love, oh. Even if love is blind, I want to love, oh. Even if not scam, I don't tire for this love. Links, see as my heart did.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new wig video, and as y'all saw, this wig does come from Luvme, and if you guys are interested, I'll be sure to leave all of the details and links in the info section below, so go ahead and check that out. Now before I get into this wig, I'm just letting you guys see all of the goodies that I received, and here is this wig right here. This is their brand new all-day curl hold with their better bounce crafted technology, which is crafted with hair that retains 80 to 90% of its natural cuticles, ensuring a bouncy, resilient curl that lasts all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig to the test to see exactly how well these curls last. But more about this wig does have their 7x6" high definition lace. It does come with the removable combs, the bra strap backing, so therefore you can get a nice custom fit, and my favorite, the C-shape ear design, which fits comfortably behind your ears. Of course, this unit is pre-plucked, the knots are pre-bleached, and you have that very natural looking hairline. My unit is in the loose wave texture. My unit is 24 inches long, 180% density. Now this unit does come pre-styled, but I'm going to go ahead and fix up this unit so that it works better for myself. I just decided to add a little bit of gel to my edge brush. I'm pushing the hairline back. I like my edges to kind of go back. I didn't want to do any baby hairs, but I later on decided that baby hairs work better for my forehead, so you can definitely wear this unit without baby hairs. I just so happen to prefer them. So as you guys can see, I am just taking my paddle brush and I am brushing through these curls. As you guys notice, these curls are not dropping whatsoever. Now once again, this hair does have the better bounce crafted technology, which retains 80 to 90% of its natural cuticles. So now I'm taking a bit of my leave-in conditioner and I'm spraying it all over the hair. Gonna brush through the hair one last time, and then I'm gonna use the complimentary satin curlers that came with my unit to refreshen up my curls. Now it is recommended that you do this on slightly wet hair, or if you want to just refreshen the curls, you can do this at nighttime. So therefore when you get up the next day, you can just go ahead and put the wig on and the curls will be nice and bouncy. So this unit came with 4 complimentary satin rollers. I used all 4, and then I used some little clips to kind of keep them in place. This is what the unit looks like. Now the lace is a tad bit too light for my skin tone, so I like to go in using my liquid foundation. I'm going to apply that all over the lace so we can get a nice even melt. So off camera, I did install the adjustable band. I also adjusted the bra strap clip in the back so I can get a nice custom fit, and I left in the removable comb. I'm going to go ahead and throw on my stocking cap. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and get this wig on and see what we're working with. So now that the wig is on, I'm going to carefully remove the satin rollers, and you guys, look at the shine, look at this bounce. Oh my gosh, literally Luvme did their big one with this one, and I'm so here for it. But again, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish removing my satin rollers. You guys, look at that bounce. Oh my gosh. And we're gonna go ahead and get this unit styled. So initially I didn't want to add any baby hairs into my unit just because I feel like this hairline looks very natural, and let's just be honest, it looks better without them. However, I later on decided that I wanted them just because I'm a little insecure about my forehead, and I feel like it just kind of adds a bit of aesthetic to it. So firstly, what I did was I cut off a little bit of the lace along the little closure part, just because it was excess lace and I didn't really need it. And now I'm just pulling out the smallest amount of baby hairs. So I'm going to cut those down and then get those laid. You do not have to do this. I just decided to do it just because I'm a little insecure, and that's okay. So yeah, just do what works best for yourself, and I'm pretty sure the unit will look beautiful either way. So you guys, this unit is glueless, and this kind of contradicts everything because I am going in using my Eben lace glue. This is going to give me a temporary hold, and I just kind of like to add that just along the very front so it stays in place, being that I live in Arizona, and y'all, even though it's winter time, it's hot. It's so hot out here. So I went ahead and applied a little bit of that. I blew dry it until it was dry and in place. I went in using a little bit of my wax stick and I smoothed everything on top of the unit. Then I went ahead and I applied a little bit of my powder to make that parting space pop. And y'all see me brushing through the hair. Y'all see the curls staying in place. Yes, ma'am. This hair definitely holds a curl, and I get so nervous when it comes down to loose wave textured wigs or body wave textured wigs because it never tends to hold the curls, especially in humidity. It drops. It's safe to say that that issue that I've been having with those hair textures are solved, and I am definitely here for it. Now y'all can see how comfortable the hair sits behind the ears. Once again, y'all know me. I love the C-shaped ear design. That's like the best part of the unit because it just makes the unit so comfortable. But once again, you guys can see the hair. Y'all notice the shine. This unit has aligned cuticles, which is polished and has a nice glossy natural finish. Y'all can see the luster, just how natural it looks. And no matter what I do with this unit, it just looks super natural. It's not overly thick to give it a bulky, unnatural look. It just looks very natural. So I am going to give you guys a quick little style. Y'all know I just love to kind of pin up my hairs. Again, it's hot out here and I don't often like hair sitting on my neck, so I took my little gold clip and I just clipped the hair up. You guys can see how cute the little curls are kind of like flowing down, and you guys can see the very back how it lays very flat and looks very natural, almost like a 360. But you guys see exactly how natural this unit looks, and I absolutely recommend this one to you guys. Now again, you guys do check out Luvme. I will have all of the details and links located in the info section below. Once again, this is their all day curl hold unit. Again, the information will be left down below. Y'all definitely let me know what you guys think about this unit. I am in love with it. To have a unit that holds its curls all day and that you can just go ahead and refreshen up the curls overnight, that is A+, y'all. But y'all let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.